Hi guys, my name is ZeroTech00 and today I'll show you how to prank someone with fake Windows update. Let's begin this video. So, first of all, you'll have to go on this website called fakeupdate.net, and this is the website. This website is very good to prank your friends and prank them with the fake update screen. And also a very cool thing, if you press enter, you can cause a BS of this. So yeah, I'll show you exactly how you can prank someone with this. So first of all, you will go to that person's computer, you will go to this website, and if he has Windows XP, you will go here. If he has Windows Vista, you go here. If he has Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac, etc., you can select from here. Also, we have here the WannaCry screen, that's very interesting. Anyways, because I have Windows 10, I'll go for Windows 10. And from here, you just have to press F11 on your keyboard, and there you go. Now you're in the full screen. And the cool part is that this screen will last for eternity. I mean, you will not get rid of this screen. Also, make sure that when you will prank your friend with this, make sure that the sleep mode and everything that prevents the screen to close and etc., please make sure that the sleep mode is off for the computer to not turn off, because that would make the prank buffing. So yeah, please make sure about that. And yeah, that's it. You can prank your friend like that. He'll just stay here for eternity, if you know what I mean. So yeah, also you can tell him to press enter, and practically this will happen and he'll probably get scared. So yeah, that's how you can actually prank your friend with this website, fakeupdate.net. It's actually very cool. I mean, you can prank your friends with this. It's really cool, this thing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you how to prank your friends for 1st April. Probably this video came late for you, but I wanted to make it anyways. So if you can still make this prank, you can make it. So yeah, that was it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My name was ZeroTech00, and happy April Fool's Day. Bye bye.